Hello and welcome to Hovan Books, where imaginations are fostered. I have here for you a recipe from eastern side of Africa, Somalia. It's called mulawah. Mulawah is easy to make, quick, nutritious. So mix all the ingredients together and make a batter that is smooth. Place a non-stick pan on a medium heat. Pour about a quarter of a cup of the batter at the center of the pan. Use a spoon to quickly spread the batter around or move the pan in a circular motion using your wrist. Drizzle a few drops of oil on the top and cover. Once the edges turn brown, flip and cook on the other side. Remove from the pan and place on a serving plate. Keep cooking until the rest of the batter is finished. You can then wrap it with strawberry, banana, or any other fruit that you like. Or you can drizzle it with a little bit of honey for those kids that like it sweet. Enjoy.